Hi guys, welcome back to JTV, and today we'll be talking about the difference between investing and trading, because most people don't know there is a difference. I had one person say, "Oh, I'm an investor, but I trade the stock market," and I'm like,
Bruh.
are you okay? All right. And I left it at that. And I was like, you know what? I think so many new traders are jumping into the market and so many investors are jumping into the market. They haven't stopped for a second and decipher actually what do these terms mean. So I'm going to tell you what they mean, and I'm going to tell you also which one am I, and which one do I like the best. So investor, this is someone who buys stock for the long term. So if you stay in stocks more than 6 months to a year for tax purposes or your preference, then you are an investor. You are a long term investor. On the flip side, if you get in the market for less than 6 months, or if you stay in the market 2 weeks, a week, then you more of a trader. You trade the market and you're in a trade fast. Are you in it swing trading? Are you day trading? You see those traders. So that's what that means. When we break it down, it's very terminology. An investor, you stay in there more than 6 months. Trader, meaning you're in and out the market less than 6 months, or you in and out in the same day. You're a swing trader, then you hold it overnight, a couple of days. So that's, in simple terminology, the difference between an investor and a trader. So which one do I use? So for my daughter's account, I am more of an investor in their account because I want them to have that money when they're 18, 25, for long term growth and to build that legacy wealth. So I do more of long term investing in their account. And then my income account, I do more trading. That means I do more of a swing trading base. That means I'm in and out the market within a couple of days. I try to stay away from day trading, even though I do some day trading, but I try to stay mostly away from day trading because I know it. I don't know. It makes me fluster, and then I get greedy, and then it goes downhill from there. And I know that about myself. So I'm more of a swing trader, a long term investor. So I have positions that I want to hold for the long term, and I have positions that I just want to hold for that short term, less than 6 months. So with me, for me, what works best for me, I like both. I really doesn't. I'm not saying I only want to be a trader and I only want to be a long term investor. So for my situation, I use both in my portfolio. I use some of short term trading, and then I use some for long term building that wealth. So I am not a financial advisor by any means. I can't tell you what you need to do, but you need to learn the definitions like I already told you, and see what best, and you will learn that with experience, and you will learn what type of investor you are based on time. If you lose a lot of money as a trader, then you're gonna flip to an investor side of the curve. So thank you so much for tuning in to Jay's TV. And if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like to see more. See y'all later, guys.